Hacker7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to do the paper tear effect using PicsArt. So first things first, let's launch PicsArt. And then what you'd want to do is to click on the plus icon and click on all photos in the top right here. So you need to click on background and then select white as your background color. So once we are here, you need to resize the background. So click on tools and click on crop. Now you could set it as Instagram story or Pinterest post. Now it all depends on what you'd like to do. So if you're going to post it on your Instagram story, you could set it as a story, or you could even use the square format to do an original Instagram post. However, in this tutorial, I'll be using the Pinterest post and clicking on the check mark. So what you want to do next is to add your images. So on the bottom here, scroll over, add photo. So let's select our photos. Okay, so we've added 7 photos here. Now let's give them some time to load, and once they are loaded, you could actually resize, you could move them around and do all the customization which you'd like. So let me resize these a bit and then I'll resume. And ensure that all the images are correctly placed. So you click on the check mark. Okay, good. So once all the images are here, what you need to click on is sticker. So let's click on sticker, and you need to search for paper aesthetic. Now this will give you some paper tear, and you could easily use these as your backdrops. So as you can see, we have some images here with paper tears and all of that. So you could simply tap on anyone and you could find a correct spot to actually place this. So let's place that in the corner, and then you'd simply repeat the process until you have enough images here. So let's go again, paper aesthetic. So seeing that this is just for demonstration, after you've added all the paper effects, you could add some stickers or emojis. So you could search iOS emojis and just simply add some that you'd like. So you could simply add the emojis all around just to fill in the gaps and as to wherever you missed off. So you could simply add some stickers. So feel free to add stickers to wherever you like, and once you're completed this step, you'd simply save this to your gallery. You'd open Alight Motion and apply the transition to it. So that is basically how you'd go about doing paper tear in PicsArt. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Hacker7 out.